Hello students, welcome you all in the online platform of Sharda Vidya Mandir. Today we are going to start a new construction from the chapter Practical Geometry. Today we are going to learn another construction which is how to construct a triangle when the length of two sides are given to you and the measure of the angle between that two sides is also given to you. So it is basically when the two sides and an angle which is between that two sides is given to you, we are going to construct that triangle. Let's take a problem where you need to construct a triangle PQR where it is given that PQ is 8 cm, QR is 6 cm and the angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. So you can have a rough diagram of the triangle where you will be giving PQ as 8 cm and QR as 6 cm and the angle PQR, definitely the angle PQR will be in between the sides PQ and QR, that is 60 degree is given to you. Okay, so we are going to construct this triangle. Now first of all, what we will do, we will take a line QR which is of 6 cm that we will construct first. Okay, next we shall construct angle 60 degree using the compass and ruler only at the point Q. So we know how to construct this 60 degree without the using of protractor. Just you have to take an arc on the Q. So let's take a compass, and here is the arc we have taken which is of certain radius, and with the same radius we will be taking another small arc on the main arc. Okay, and then we will name the point, intersection point, as X, and then we will join these Q and X to get the ray. So QX is our ray and this XQR became the 60 degree. Now my P point should lie on the ray QX. Somewhere on this ray the P point should lie, and my PQ should be of 8 cm. So I will construct another 8 cm line there separately, and I will take the measurement of this 8 cm and I will cut that 8 cm pointing my compass at Q. So this intersection is going to be point P. Okay, and you can verify it's 8 cm. So here we have got our three vertices of the triangle, that is P, Q and R. Now we have to join this P and R so that I get PR side of the triangle. Hence we have completed our diagram, that is the PQR. We have to construct this much only. So here is the process how to construct this triangle.
Thank you students for listening to me. If you have understood the concept, and if you have still doubt, just go back and check go through the method once again. And next your homework will be this exercise 12C, where all the sums are based on this concept only, and from this exercise 12C from 1 to 5 all the sums you do it, and then you send all those things in my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you everyone.